Good night. My name is Claudia Carvajal, and I will discuss a situation that occurred to me and some of my friends about 2 years ago. Now that we are currently in the World Cup, I thought that I will talk about a trip that we took to watch the Colombian team in the city of Barranquilla. The game was a very important game because in that moment we were going to play with the selection of Chile, uh, and we decided to fly out on Thursday night since the game were on Friday afternoon. But we have to woke up really early because we were in that moment in Cartagena, and the play took place in Barranquilla City. Well, the day that we go to Cartagena, we decided to stay up really early. So at the next morning, we woke up at 6 a.m. because the band the band that pick us to go to the game is going is where no because the band that pick us at 7 a.m. In that morning. So we didn't have the chance to took a breakfast, and we didn't sleep uh, very well the night before. So we had to eat our breakfast on the road. Then, after 2 hours, we arrived to the stadium. The sun was really, really shining, very bright, and took us a lot of time to get inside the stadium. So in that moment, we were really, really sweaty and uncomfortable with that situation because we received all the sun directly to our faces during all the game. Okay, after the 90 minutes of the game, Colombia lost, so we left the stadium really upset. Then we tried to search the van, but that situation took us like an hour. Then we decided to go to eat at a restaurant that some friend recommended to us, but I think that uh, that's the worst restaurant that I ever been because we were tired. We were really sweaty. We haven't lunch, so we were really hungry. So it took a long time to receive a service. Then it took like an hour to receive the orders that we ask. Then the waiter then the waiter confused our orders, so I received a, 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 a food that I didn't ask. It was a terrible situation. And then we decided to go out of the restaurant. Some people didn't pay the bill, so it was a difficult night. But at the end, I think that it was a happy moment when we get inside the stadium. It was a pleasure to share with all the people who go to saw all to saw and support our Colombian team. So at the end, it was a funny situation, a funny memory, but it's I think that it were one of the worst days of my life because I was sweaty, I was hungry, I was sad, I was mad, but in the end it was a pleasure to support our Colombian team. So thank you very much for watch this video. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much and have a good night.